Bodega 50 liter. Been in 100% service since February. So we're about 7 months into it now. This is the second different brand of car fridge that I've had. This one's holding the temperature better. And it's got a 5-year compressor warranty. And that I'm impressed with, because if anything goes out on these, it's going to be the compressor. This meter reading here is without the fridge running. That's my refrigerator for the RV. See, nothing going on there. The stereo's always on. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up and get a energy reading. Right now I got it set for half fridge and half freezer. When I'm on the Gulf of Mexico, I pull the center out, put it all to -4, freeze fish. Okay, now you can hear the compressor's running. And there's the meter reading. So you can do the math and figure out how much power it's using. A little over 2. I generally notice it seems to be using between 2.5 and 2 3/4 amps. I have a few solar panels on top, 640 watts with a 200 amp hour lithium battery. I've went at least 2 days with no sun, and I've yet to get it down below 13.2 volts, so I recommend this for boondockers.
This is the Bodega that we purchased from Amazon. As you can see, it's running right now. You can hear it. It does have the LCD panel. I'm only using I'm using the full cooler right now, so that's the only reason you see one side. It shows that it is at 26 degrees. When you open this up, you will see I have a few drinks and a few and some snacks in here. Now there are 2 sides to this. There is a side here and a side here. They do come with wire baskets and also a center partition. We are keeping a thermometer in here because we have had some temperature issues. This is showing almost 40. So as you see, where the temperature shows almost 40, it'll zoom in here, almost 40, and then on our screen it shows 26. So there are definitely some errors. Has a nice close, nice handles. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell.
Most of the sound is coming right from here. to the story?
Someone in the DC office has accidentally leaked Fitz's address in Hong Kong.
Bunch of idiots.
Indeed. We'd asked for agency security, but for some curious reason, Danny Carmichael wants to fly it. Fitz is starting a mission in Brazil tomorrow, which means you are going to babysit.
My brother's wife died about 3 years ago, and to top it off, Claire was born with a heart condition. Last month we put in a pacemaker, and since then she's been in and out of Mount St. Mary's.
Poor thing got dealt a brutal hand.
Please tell me how to kill people, not care for them.
You don't have to care. Just keep her alive.
There, dear. This is 6. You'll be looking after the house while Donald is away.
Just the 2 exes?
Yes, that's right.
6 is an odd name.
Yeah. Just, 007 was taken. So.
Are you chewing gum?
Super loud and annoying. The meat is frozen, but it's good. And my eyes. Annoying.
What are you doing in my dream?
Your dream? This is clearly my dream. Isn't it?
Hey, I feel like I've had a dream there. And there.
What?
Look. Either Dad packed me a light scroll for lunch, or there's something in there.
Of course there is. It's a backpack. Oh, you're totally sharing your dream.
Mom, this is so cool.
Oh my god! I just want to squeeze in! Wait, why don't I have the backpack? Mine would totally have bad things in it, like,
Why is this happening? How is it possible that we're sharing a dream like this?
I don't know, ask him.
I can't.
You! Yes, you can.
Le tengo a mis hijas, le tengo a mi, yo tengo que comprar otra casita así.